Hey guys, bacon mushroom melts on the Blackstone, and it starts now. Welcome back guys, I'm Corey from the Northwoods, where we're showing you that freedom's an adventure. We're finding ours and you can too. Today we're cooking up some bacon mushroom melts on the Blackstone. So if it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come along with us as we get this started. Alright, so we got our stuff right here for our bacon mushroom melts today. And we've got some 70-30 ground beef here boiled up. We're going to do these as a smash burger. And we got our bacon right here. And we have our mushrooms and some cheddar cheese sauce back here. And we're going to go ahead and season our hamburgers today with Weber Gourmet Burger seasoning. This is kind of similar to a Montreal seasoning. Not quite as potent though as the Montreal is. And this just gives our burgers a nice good flavor. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this stuff off here and we'll get the griddle fired up and we'll get going on this. Alright, let's go ahead and get some oil down. We'll get this started. Always put oil down before you cook anything. It'll always help out the seasoning. Alright, even if it's bacon, put down some oil. It'll help it out. Alright, let's get some bacon down here. Sticking together there. Alright, our bacon's just about where we want it, so we'll go ahead and we'll turn that down to low, and we'll on that side, and we will push off some of that bacon fat. Push him back here in the corner. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get our burgers on here. Key with smash burgers, use some parchment paper. Put it on here, smash that burger down. Hold it for a little bit and let it sear. And seal this up. Go on to your next one. Alright. We'll go ahead and we'll get these seasoned up here. Again, that was the Weber Gourmet Burger. Alright, so while those are cooking, I'll go ahead and we'll get these mushrooms on here. We'll put them over here on the side that was on low. Get our mushrooms down there. Alright, we'll go ahead and get these burgers a flip here. Over here on my cover from our side burners over here. But it doesn't get real hot, but it does get warm. So I'm going to go ahead and place our cheese sauce here in our Pyrex dish right here and let him just start to get a little bit warm. Let's go ahead and we'll get this bread down and we'll start toasting it. Get some butter on him. You see how well that works? See that butter on there? Kind of get this started. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll start putting some cheese sauce on there. Start to get a little toast in there. They are warm, guys. Go ahead and put a little bit more cheese sauce on it right here. Alright, let's go ahead. Get our burgers on here. Okay, let's go ahead. Now Lori don't like mushrooms on hers, so that one in the back I will leave mushrooms off. Alright, then we'll use up the last of this cheese just to help that all kind of just stick together here. Don't skimp out on the bacon, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and throw the rack up here so you guys can get a good look at these as we throw these up here. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? I do have some other stuff in here. Let's go ahead and we'll throw some tomato on there. Put some lettuce. Back on there. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never ending sunshine. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll pull these off of here and put these inside and give these a try. And with that, it's a great day to fire up the griddle. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. And make sure you hit that little subscribe button right here. And then if you're looking for something to try cooking, check out this video right here. We'll see you out there.